Travel smartly. It's a phrase that ignites joy and excitement in the hearts of many. Setting off on a global adventure doesn't need to break the bank when you have the right tricks up your sleeve. Join us in this guide as we unveil the top 10 savvy tips to jet set affordably across the globe, guaranteeing a trip that's not only budget-friendly but also unforgettable. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to catch all our future videos. Now let's take a closer look at our first tip. Consider budget airlines and secondary airports. Budget airlines are a wallet-friendly solution for travelers looking to cut costs without sacrificing the essence of adventure. By opting for these more economical options, you can save a substantial amount on airfare, money that can be reallocated to experiences and explorations during your travels. Secondary airports, often located a bit further from major cities, offer lower landing fees, which in turn can lead to cheaper ticket prices for you. Planning your trip with these alternatives in mind not only stretches your dollar further, but opens up a plethora of new, less traveled destinations to explore. Moving on to our next tip, we're unveiling a simple yet highly effective strategy. Use incognito mode when booking flights. Have you ever noticed flight prices increasing each time you check back on a particular route? That's because travel sites and airlines track your visits through cookies and may hike prices based on your search history. By using incognito mode or private browsing, your searches remain undercover, ensuring that you're presented with the most initial, often lower flight prices. This clever hack not only helps you outsmart the system, but can lead to significant savings, making your dream trip more affordable than you thought. After mastering the art of smart flight booking, our next tip focuses on optimizing your stay. Opt for accommodation alternatives like hostels or Airbnb. These options not only slash the price tag of your lodging, but also enrich your travel experience by offering a unique local perspective. Hostels provide the added benefit of community and camaraderie with fellow travelers, often organizing events or tours that can further enhance your exploration. Airbnb rentals can unlock hidden gems in neighborhoods less frequented by tourists, offering a more authentic and immersive experience. By choosing these accommodation alternatives, you're not just saving money, you're unlocking doors to unexpected adventures and connections. Transitioning from where you lay your head at night to when you choose to travel can make all the difference in your exploration budget. Travel during off-peak seasons. This strategy can drastically reduce your expenses and enhance the quality of your adventure. Airlines and accommodations often lower their prices significantly during these times to attract more visitors. Venturing in the off-peak seasons also means experiencing destinations without the crowds, allowing for a more authentic connection with the culture and people. This approach not only saves you money, but also offers a more relaxed and immersive traveling experience. Moving from when and where you travel to a simple but impactful practice. Carry a reusable water bottle. This small act can significantly cut down your daily expenses and reduce your environmental footprint. By refilling your bottle at safe water points, you avoid the cost of purchasing single-use plastic bottles, which can quickly add up in tourist hotspots. Additionally, having water on hand encourages hydration, keeping you energized and healthy throughout your travels. This eco-friendly practice not only saves you money, but also contributes to preserving the destinations you visit for future explorers. Transitioning from eco-friendly practices to exploring your surroundings, explore free attractions and activities emerges as a key strategy for budget travelers. Many destinations boast an abundance of parks, museums, historical sites, and cultural events that are open to the public free of charge. Engaging in these free activities not only significantly reduces your entertainment expenses, but also deepens your understanding and appreciation of the locale. By focusing on these attractions, you can enrich your travel experience without straining your budget, allowing for a more sustainable and culturally immersive journey. From enjoying the rich tapestry of culture and history accessible through free attractions, it's prudent to transition to another savvy travel tactic. Utilize public transportation. This method is not just wallet-friendly, but also offers an authentic glimpse into the daily lives of local residents. Public transportation systems, whether buses, trains, or subways, often cover extensive areas of a destination at a fraction of the cost of taxis or rental cars. Utilizing these services enables you to explore further and more frequently without the burden of hefty transportation expenses. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice that aligns with responsible travel principles, reducing your carbon footprint while navigating new territories. Transitioning from making smart transportation choices, another critical strategy for cost-conscious travelers is cook your own meals. This practice not only slashes your food expenses dramatically, but also gives you the freedom to experiment with local ingredients, adding a flavorful and authentic touch to your culinary exploration. Visiting local markets for fresh produce can be an adventure in itself, offering insights into the region's culinary culture and daily life. By preparing your meals, you gain control over your diet and expenses, allowing for a healthier and more affordable travel experience. This approach not only saves money, but also enriches your connection with the destination through its food. After exploring the abundant benefits of cooking your own meals while traveling, it's essential to shift our focus to another financial tactic that can significantly impact your travel budget. Become a savvy currency converter. Becoming adept at currency conversion can help you understand the true cost of your expenditures abroad, ensuring you're always getting the most bang for your buck. Utilizing apps and websites that provide real-time exchange rates can guide you in making more informed decisions when spending. This practice not only prevents you from overpaying, but can also help you identify the most cost-effective times to exchange money, saving you a considerable amount over the duration of your travels. And lastly, a financial strategy worth considering is the effective use of leveraged travel reward programs and points. By enrolling in travel rewards programs, you can accrue points through everyday purchases that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. This method transforms your regular spending into potential savings on travel costs. Savvy travelers often combine points from different programs to unlock even more significant discounts or freebies, turning the art of point hacking into an essential tool for economical travel. Understanding the ins and outs of these programs can turn out to be a game changer. If you're excited about stretching your travel dollars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave your travel hack or comment below. Your next adventure awaits, and so does your next budget saving tip right here in our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.